Get ready for a game changer. GoPro just announced the Hero 13 Max, and it's packed with features that will blow your mind. From a powerful new chip to insane camera capabilities, this camera is about to revolutionize the way you capture life's adventures. Imagine shooting 8K video at 60 frames per second, capturing 27 megapixel raw images and enjoying gimbal-like stabilization with Hypersmooth 6.0. It's time to take your content creation to the next level. What's up, fans? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the latest rumors and leaks surrounding the GoPro Hero 13 Max. This camera is rumored to be a beast, and we've got the inside scoop on its features and specs. For improved performance to enhanced connectivity, we'll cover it all. So let's get started. GP4 Chip. The GP4 chip is a game changer in the Hero 13 Max designed to significantly boost performance and efficiency. This powerful processor is engineered to handle intensive tasks with ease, such as 8K video recording and high-speed photography. It enables faster data processing, allowing for smoother video capture and real-time image enhancement. The GP4 chip also improves overall image quality, with better color accuracy and sharper details. One of the standout features powered by the GP4 chip is its enhanced live streaming capability, providing users with a seamless and high-quality streaming experience. Additionally, the chip supports advanced video editing directly on the device, making it easier to create professional-quality content on the go. Compared to the previous GP2 chip, the GP4 offers a significant leap in technology, ensuring that the Hero 13 Max is not just faster, but also more capable, setting a new standard for action cameras. Camera upgrades. Now let's talk about the camera. The Hero 13 Max features Hypersmooth 6.0, offering gimbal-like stabilization for smoother video footage. This means you can capture silky smooth video even in the most turbulent conditions. Plus, with the ability to shoot 8K video at 60 frames per second and capture 27 megapixel raw images, this camera is a powerhouse. You'll be able to capture every detail, every moment, and every adventure with stunning clarity. Additional features, but that's not all. The Hero 13 Max also features versatile video options, including 5.3K video recording at 60 and 32 megapixel photo capture. And with creative shooting modes like Time Warp 3.0 and Night Lapse 2.0, you'll never run out of ideas. Whether you're capturing a sunset, a mountain bike ride, or a night sky, the Hero 13 Max has the features to make it epic. Connectivity and battery life. Plus, with enhanced Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities, you'll stay connected on the go, transfer files, live stream, and control your camera with ease. And with a 20% improvement in battery life compared to previous models, you can enjoy your camera for even longer. Whether you're on a long hike or a road trip, the Hero 13 Max has got you covered. Release date and price. The GoPro Hero 13 Max is highly anticipated, with rumors pointing to a release in September 2024. This release window aligns with GoPro's typical launch schedule, often timed to coincide with the peak of the adventure and holiday seasons. As for the price, the Hero 13 Max is expected to be priced between $425 and $475. This pricing places it at the higher end of the action camera market, reflecting its advanced features and cutting-edge technology. GoPro is known for pushing the boundaries with each new model, and the Hero 13 Max is expected to continue this trend. The higher price tag suggests significant upgrades in camera performance, durability, and possibly new features that will appeal to both enthusiasts and professionals. Despite the premium cost, the Hero 13 Max is likely to offer value for those who demand top-tier quality and functionality in their action camera, making it a worthwhile investment for capturing unforgettable moments. There you have it, folks. The GoPro Hero 13 Max is shaping up to be an incredible camera. With its powerful GP4 chip, insane camera capabilities, and enhanced features, it's the perfect tool for content creators and adventurers alike. Make sure to like and subscribe for more news and updates, and hit that notification bell to stay in the loop.